Hi there, my name is Sam and I'm excited to announce blend modes and filters. On any element you can now add blend modes and filters can also be used on effects and animations. So let's go over all of them. To enable blend mode, select a element, for example this text element right here. Then under style you can add a property, and in this case the blending property. Under blending, you can find the most popular blending modes. For example, exclusion, which basically inverts the color of the element based on the background, which is very nice in this case since it will keep the text visible regardless of the color of the video. So let's enable it for this text element. There we go. Let's also enable it for this text element. Under style, add the blending property and then select exclusion, and as we preview you can see this blending mode in action. To understand all the other blend modes, play around with it or check out our documentation. Next to blend modes we've added a few new filters, and these include blur, fill blur, grayscale and invert. For example, on this row right here, the white row containing the product information, we can create a very nice glass effect by using fill blur. And fill blur will basically apply the blur to the fill color of the selected element. So let's quickly do that. Under style, we add the fill blur property, and then we give this a value of 24. And as you can see right now, nothing really happens. And that is because the opacity of the fill color is set to 100%. But if we change the opacity of this fill color to, let's say, 40%, you can see that we are creating this very nice glass effect. Last but not least, you can work with filters within effects and animations. And something you can do, for example, is to create a nice hover effect with the grayscale property. So let's select this image right here. Under style, we add the grayscale property. We set the grayscale to 100%. Then under interactions, we add a mouse hover effect. Then we add the grayscale property as well. And then we set it to 0%. And now when we preview, the image will first start off gray without colors. And when we hover over the image, the colors become visible. And that's it for this update. I would encourage you to play around with all the different blend modes and filters and create something wonderful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more product updates.